So we're getting a handle on working with Python if statements, conditional statements where we can inform Python what to do, or our projects, what to do if something is true. Now, what if you have multiple conditions that you want to check for? I want to know if a variable, some numeric value, is greater than x. There's one condition. But then I also want to know and if a is less than x. I want to know if a is greater than x and a is less than x. So now I've got a range inside there. So here we're going to bring in the keyword within our if condition called and. Take a look. So I'm back inside of the Python shell and I've got a new file open in front of you, and I'm just going to create a simple little if here, but I'm going to utilize multiple conditions using the and keyword or the and logic. You can try this out. So here I'm going to declare a variable. I'm going to say a equals 10. There it is. And now I want to say if a is greater than, we'll say 5, and there's our and keyword, and a is less than 15. There's our if. So I'm going to say print permission granted. All right. So now if both of those conditions, these statements are true, right? As long as a is greater than 5 and less than 15. All right, let's try it out. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'm going to run the module. Remember, F5 is your shortcut key. So I'll just run the module. All right, permission granted. A, which is equal to 10, that's greater than 5, and it's less than 15. Let's try changing it. Let's make it 20. And just for fun, I'm going to put an else inside of here. We'll say else, and I'm going to print out permission denied. There we go. All right, let's save that, and I'll F5. All right, permission denied. There you go. You got an and statement and logic. In this case, both of the conditions need to be true in order for the if to return true. Otherwise, it falls into the else and outputs something else for us. This is your and logic.